What does heart mean?
Two things. One is the center of your body. And one is center of your being. The center of your body is your physical heart. This physical heart is made up of flesh, as you know. It is independently alive of your being. And there is a plan installed in it for your experience in this life. It will not shut down, which means you cannot die before your time. But since it is physical, it has a lot of effect on your personality, on your psychology, and on your health. So having a healthy heart is very important so that you can execute your purpose in this life. A lot of your emotions generate from your heart, this physical heart. So a lot of experiences gets generated because of it. Now there is a mystery surrounding this heart. That this heart is surrounded by air through your lungs. So what happens to the flesh if you leave it open into air? It hardens. So with every breath which you take, your heart is inclined to become hard. Hard means angry, stubborn, arrogant. So this experience of lower life constantly generates hardness of the heart. In a way, kindness is constantly evaporating from your heart if you don't take care of it. So in this life, you have a constant trial to keep your heart soft and kind. So this is a test. God placed the heart in the air and told you to constantly work on your kindness. So you see, body is designed in such a way that animal soul and divine soul are constantly at odds with each other. You can't help it. This is the design of life, and this is the design of your. Now, what is in the air? Information is in the air. So different kinds of information enters into your heart through the air, and you process those informations. So stop your heart from receiving useless informations which have a tendency to harden you. Protect your heart from those kind of informations. The second heart is the center of your being. God Himself is in the center of your being. You have to reach that place. You have to find Him within yourself. And a very simple way to finding Him in yourself is to erase all the falsehood from the center of your being and only have a truthful life, because God is the truth. Truthfulness will lead you to the center of your being. It's a very difficult process, I admit. But I pray that you go to that place, that you reach the Lamb.